In a motocross world increasingly dominated by heavy electric starters, overly complex wiring harnesses, fragile electronics, and factory bikes that cost an absolute fortune to buy and maintain, there is one machine that stubbornly refuses to play by everyone else's rules. The legendary Suzuki RM-Z450 is back for 2026, and it continues to prove why it remains the absolute gold standard for pure cornering agility, rider feedback, and hard-hitting, unfiltered power. If you want a race bike that lets you drop into a rut sharper than anything else on the starting gate without emptying your bank account or stressing over a dead battery, stop scrolling right now. This is the complete exhaustive deep dive review of the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z450 AE. Let's be completely honest about the current state of the 450 motocross class. Every single model year, competing brands add more weight, more buttons, more digital dashboards, and more technical complexity to their machines. Suzuki takes a completely different, refreshing path, ensured firmly in their famous philosophy: run, turn, and stop. The RM-Z450 has a legacy built on decades of world and national championship wins, alongside a reputation for having the absolute best handling, most telepathic chassis in the industry. For 2026, Suzuki isn't trying to distract riders with flashy, unnecessary gimmicks. Instead, they've refined what already works brilliantly. It's a dedicated machine built for riders who value mechanical simplicity, razor-sharp cornering precision, and a direct, uncompromised connection between the throttle and the rear tire. At the center of this machine is a battle-tested, highly refined 449cc, liquid-cooled, four-stroke, DOHC single-cylinder engine fed by an advanced fuel injection system. What makes the RM-Z power band truly special isn't just peak horsepower numbers on a dyno sheet. It's how aggressively and cleanly it pulls right off the bottom. The throttle response is instantaneous. The absolute microsecond you crack open that throttle coming out of a slick, tight corner, the engine delivers a massive, meaty surge of low-end torque that shoots you straight down the next straightaway. Suzuki designs their throttle body to spray fuel directly at the butterfly valve, resulting in superior fuel atomization and a completely direct, snappy connection with your right wrist. And because it keeps things focused and mechanical, with a reliable primary kick starter and automatic decompressor, you completely eliminate the dead weight penalty of a heavy battery and starter motor. That weight savings keeps the bike exceptionally nimble, light up front, and effortless to throw around in the air over massive tabletops. Now, just because it relies on classic mechanical principles doesn't mean it lacks smart technology where it actually matters on a racetrack. The 2026 RM-Z450 features Suzuki's advanced traction management system, which continuously monitors throttle opening, engine speed, and gear position to micro-adjust ignition timing and fuel delivery for maximum hookup on slippery clay or loose loamy dirt. Furthermore, you get the legendary Suzuki Whole Shot Assist Control (S-HAC) system. Featuring 3 distinct launch modes, it allows you to fine-tune your gate starts. Whether you're dealing with a slick, hard-packed concrete pad or deep, tacky mud, S-HAC manages initial wheel spin through the 3 critical stages of a start so you can whole shot the pack into the first turn. Best of all, Suzuki includes their MX Tuner 2.0 tool right out of the box. Using a simple smartphone application, you can quickly remap your fuel injection and ignition timing trackside in a matter of minutes to match your personal riding style or shifting track conditions. If there is one undisputed arena where the RM-Z450 completely destroys the competition, it is cornering performance. The lightweight aluminum twin spar frame and twin beam swing arm are engineered to balance high-speed stability with just enough torsional flex to absorb brutal impacts, while keeping the front end glued to your chosen line. When you approach a tight, rutted corner, the RM-Z doesn't fight you. It drops into the inside line effortlessly, setting the industry benchmark for turn-in agility. Up front, you get fully adjustable, high-performance Showa 49mm coil spring forks, which offer consistent, predictable feedback across choppy braking bumps without the constant headaches and pressure checking associated with air spring forks. In the rear, the bike features the innovative Showa Balance Free Rear Cushion, BFRC, shock. By balancing pressure above and below the piston, The BFRC tracks the ground smoothly over high-speed chop and brutal square-edged braking bumps, keeping the chassis completely stable and planted when you're hard on the brakes heading into a corner. IABZ. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z450 is a pure, race-bred machine, built for riders who demand razor-sharp handling, fierce low-end power, and track-dominating performance without unnecessary electronic complications. Now, I want to hear your perspective loud and clear. Are you a fan of Suzuki's legendary cornering agility? Or do you prefer electric start 450s? Have you ever raced an RM-Z on your local track? Drop your thoughts, lap times, and opinions in the comments right now. I read and reply to every single one. If you love this in-depth motocross breakdown, hit that like button, share this video with your riding crew, and subscribe to Bike Review Pro for more expert reviews, track tests, and deep dives. Thanks for watching. Twist that throttle hard, and we'll see you at the track.